Strike by Jennifer Jones. The snow was falling soft and sweet. December had begun. The elves were working night and day with zero time for fun. They wrapped and taped and hammered toys. They packed and glued and stitched. But working every single night had made the elves all twitched. Back at school, a letter came with sparkles down the side. It smelled like cocoa, looked hand-wrapped, and made Miss Holly wide-eyed. Dear children, said the letter, we're taking a small pause. We love to help, we love to give, but lately there's a cause. We've worked so hard for years and years and barely get a break. We just need rest and cookie naps for pepperminty's sake. The class grew quiet all at once. Their smiles turned upside down. We've never thanked the elves at all, said Emma with a frown. I never even said thank you. We've been kind of bossy. Let's give those elves a reason to laugh and not to cry. We'll throw a party just for them, a thank you, not goodbye. Elf Appreciation Plan, Hot Cocoa Station, Pajama Parade, Elf Massage Chairs. They baked the fluffiest sugar treats and hung up twinkle lights. They made elf beds with gumdrop foam for cozy winter nights. The elves came back with hopeful hearts and twinkles in their eyes. They saw the cocoa, naps, and notes and gasped in sweet surprise. There were hugs and laughs and dancing too, with marshmallows on top. Even Santa joined the fun and made the workshop stop. Now, every year the kids give back with kindness, love, and cheer. The elves still help, but now they rest and jingle once a year. Thanks for everything, elves. If your helpers take a break or vanish out of sight, show them love and gratitude. They'll come back with delight. Hello, boys and girls. The author Jennifer Jones of Elves on Strike would like for you to design your own elf party. Have fun.